Welcome to this algebra lesson. Today, we are going to learn how to find any specific number in a geometric sequence without writing out the entire list. This is called finding the nth term. First, let's understand what a geometric sequence is. It is a list of numbers where each number is found by multiplying the previous one by a constant value. In the example shown here, 3, 6, 12, 24, you can see that we multiply by 2 each time to get to the next number. That constant multiplier has a special name. It is called the common ratio, represented by the letter R. To find it, you simply pick any term and divide it by the one right before it. For example, 6 divided by 2 is 3. 18 divided by 6 is also 3. So our common ratio R is 3. Here is the magic formula that lets us skip ahead to any number in the sequence. It reads as a sub n equals a sub 1 multiplied by r raised to the power of n minus 1. A sub n is the term we want to find. A sub 1 is the very first number. R is the common ratio, and n is the position number we are looking for. Let's try a problem. We have the sequence 2, 6, 18, 54, and we want to find the seventh term. First, we identify our variables. The first term, a sub 1, is 2. The common ratio, r, is 3 because 6 divided by 2 is 3, and n is 7 because we want the seventh term. Now we substitute these numbers into our formula. Replace a sub 1 with 2, replace r with 3, and replace the exponent n with 7. Before we do any math, we simplify the exponent. 7 minus 1 gives us 6. Now we calculate the result using the order of operations. Exponents come first, so we calculate 3 to the power of 6, which is 729. Finally, we multiply that by 2. The result is 1458. That is the seventh number in our list. If we graph this sequence, you can see how quickly the numbers get bigger. This curve shape is characteristic of geometric growth. Unlike arithmetic sequences which form a straight line, geometric sequences curve upwards very steeply. What if the numbers alternate between positive and negative? Look at 8, negative 4, 2, negative 1. The first term is 8. The ratio is negative 4 divided by 8, which is negative 0.5. To find the sixth term, we plug these into the formula. Remember that raising a negative number to an odd power keeps it negative. To wrap up, remember these 3 steps. 1. Identify that the sequence multiplies by a constant. 2. Find that ratio by dividing. And 3. Use the explicit formula a sub n equals a sub 1 times r to the power of n minus 1 to find your answer.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.